Welcome to the Learn It, Identify Slope and Y-intercept from an equation. This should say from equation, cut off. Okay, the first part is just a skill builder. Notice you're going to leave as improper fractions unless it's a whole number, then make it a whole number and simplify all fractions. This will show up as a skill builder, and then once you submit it, it will show you the answers. Okay. We're going to identify the slope and the intercept from an equation. When it is in this form where y has a coefficient of 1, the slope is going to be the coefficient of x, and the y-intercept is going to be the coefficient, or just the constant. So, given an equation in slope-intercept form, identify the slope and y-intercept. So, here is the slope. So the slope is 5/3. The y-intercept is -5. And you're done that problem. In the next example, y equals -2/3 x plus 2. The slope is -2/3. The y-intercept is +2. And y equals 6/5 x minus 4. The slope is 6/5 because it is the coefficient of x. The y-intercept is -4. Yes, a lot of people use highlighters when they're starting to do these problems. Y equals -12 x plus 3. Slope is -12. Y-intercept is 3. Y equals -x plus 2. There's an understood 1 right there. So the slope is -1. The y-intercept is +2. Notice a slope is a value. It doesn't have any letters. On the next one, y equals -4x minus 1. The slope is -4. The y-intercept is -1. Y equals 7. Y equals 0x plus 7. So 0x, you don't add 0 times anything, you're not going to need it. So the slope is 0. And the y-intercept is 7. Notice every single one of these start with a y. There's a little peculiar guy that says x equals 8. That, actually, when you graph, that means, let's do it not from graphing, let's do it from table. It says, I can say x is 8, y is 1. X is 8, 8, 2. Notice that's not functioning, so that's going to be undefined. And no y-intercept. And that is how you identify the slope and y-intercept from a slope-intercept equation. On your assignment today, you're going to combine yesterday's knowledge about solutions and today's knowledge about identifying slopes and y-intercepts to do. You're going to use yesterday's assignment and today's assignment to do a murder mystery.